dad's an artist, so I kind of, I was really fascinated by art in general from an early age. So yeah, I used to watch him and paint with him and do lots of creative stuff. I first did a graphics course, and then I went to university and did a fashion course. So I put the two of them together, really, and then I, started my career. I worked for a great Danish company. They sent me travelling, so I got a lot of travel experience from an early age, production experience with factories. I moved to London, and got involved with some really cool brands. Trevor, the guy that created All Saints, and quite a lot of fast-moving brands. A really cool company called the Bureau that did a lot of advertising, ranges, trends, range building, all of that kind of thing. I then moved up to Leicester, worked for Next. I wanted to come home after that, really, so I moved back towards the southwest. I've worked for a number of brands in the southwest, small indies and quite big companies. And so now I'm freelance, and I'm working on a variety of high street and small boutique companies. My style is quite dark, actually. I quite like gothic-y, edgy skull designs, roses. Yeah, I do a lot of that. It's quite on trend at the moment, so I spend quite a lot of time doing that. I like the challenge of taking a concept and obviously making it work. And for the different client that's for, I mean, there are many different levels that brands operate on. So I guess the challenge is actually taking the design and making it right for that market. And I guess that's my passion, really, is taking something and trying to make it work for that customer, for that client. So I guess Next would be the biggest company. I also worked in the sort of more value sector for peacocks. Again, a lot of product. They're putting big orders down. It's a value end, so you're very restricted as far as target prices are concerned. Yeah, so even more so probably, it's a really hard job as a designer to work for those guys because of the parameters that you're given. It's a great brand. They fully support designers. They're all about design. It's a design-driven business, so it's a real pleasure working for them and taking something that's not necessarily everyday exciting sort of product and making it that, taking a product and really making it, breaking the boundaries, making it really different and making it exciting. If you want to see more of me, see what I'm all about, get over to TWDA.STUDIO and check out my portfolio.